Cat food acquired. Wish I got a Gatorade too or something like that. That would have been nice, but we have exactly 30 minutes to get back, and it's not that long of a ride. Although it is kind of rush hour right now. Yeah, we went on break right at 4:20 today. Work until 8 though, so many hours to go yet. Don't remember. I was kind of thinking, you know, I don't know. Give that guy a nod somewhat since he let me go, kind of him. He didn't have to do that. Yeah, oh yeah, it's rush hour, all right. Look at this. Look at all this. What on earth is happening? Damn, these people seem distracted as hell. What the fuck is going on, man? I mean, it's like, you know, I have time, but it's also just like, you're not paying attention, you know? Always got to be paying attention. See, look, I'm not going to make it. This Volkswagen lady, oh no, she's going. Not going, I mean. She's going to be a good noodle. So we gotta run home, fill up the bowls for the cats. I got 3 cats. And they do love their dry food. Look at that woofer. Living his best life. I wonder if I just manifested it and I'm never going to have a false neutral again. Wouldn't that be nice? Had to bring the big backpack today, of course. I should do a video talking about gear. Maybe this will just be like my notes. I want to do why I got into riding, and in that why I picked the bike I picked. Why I picked a Royal Enfield. I want to do 5 things that I hate about my Royal Enfield that I love. I do love this bike. I like it a lot. It's a very pretty bike. Very pretty bike. And it's an awesome hobby that I would encourage anybody to try and get into. I understand it is dangerous, inherently a little bit more dangerous than a car, but maybe I'm just fucking rambling too much and I can't even make this into a video because it's just incoherent ramblings. Don't know if I'd call it incoherent, but I'm all over the place right now. As I just was riding over here to get the cat food, I rapid fire ran through the 5 things I hate about my Royal Enfield, and I'm not sure I liked it. I felt like I was too rushed. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow. Definitely gonna ride. Have to ride. Absolute necessity. Look at these goons, these 2 gentlemen. You know, one thing that I thought was interesting, I was talking to a guy who I play video games with because I sim race quite a bit. Big sim racer. Let me know if you want to follow me on Twitch for that. I stream my races on Twitch. And he lives in San Diego. And he said that like pumpkins aren't a big thing over there when it gets to be like this time of year. And it just makes me wonder. I'm sure people decorate and stuff like that for Halloween, spooky season. This is easily my favorite time of year by far, although historically I have not been that big of a fan of Halloween. And it all just kind of goes back to like stupid middle school, high school bullshit. I always seemed to be like with my middle school girlfriends, like there was always some fight that ensued, or you know, I had some bad experience the night I was hanging out with my friends, whether it was actually Thanksgiving, whether it was actually Halloween or several days before or whatever. It's just like I always had, you know, dumb things happen. And so I never really like looked forward to Halloween, but as I've gotten older, more and more, I just sort of, I get a kick out of it more, and I like it. I should say the holiday. This season, this time of year, I have always adored and loved. Can I not take a left up that road there? Can't take a left, really? I think I can. Yeah, I could. I could have. Now I have to sit at this dumb intersection. I really hate this intersection a lot. When you want to take this left, it's pretty dumb. I mean, look at all these freaking signs. Don't do this, don't do that. Make sure if you do this that you don't do that. Get real. No U-turn, no right turn, make a left. It's a one-way road, you know? Get real. I probably could have gone here, but I don't like the camber of this here road. It's alright, we're not in a rush. Not really. We might go after this Kia though. Yeah, we going. Or before the Kia. Yeah, man. Looking forward to my 2 days off. I feel like, you know, it's crazy because I've done long stretches of overtime before. I work kind of a funky schedule. I work for 4 days straight and then I'm off for 4 days straight. So my days that I'm actually working is always kind of like rotating. Like if I start my work week on a Monday, the next week I start on a Tuesday, and the week after that I start on a Wednesday. And it's got its perks for sure. But yeah, it just gets tough when you do take a day or two of OT, and it really messes with your rhythm of enjoying your time off. And like you only get 1 day, and then you work 2 days, and then you only get 1 day, and then you're back for 4 working again, and it's just like you don't really feel like you got to rest. But you know, it is what it is. Good problem to have, you know, I guess. But yeah, my weekend is actually the weekend this week. It's not always the case. Nevertheless, yeah, I think my sensei, Ducati NYC, love that guy, he's awesome. He said he wants to hear why I got into motorcycling, or why I got a motorcycle, why I got which one. I'm definitely going to do that. I want to save that for a longer ride, not one of these 20 or 30 minute rides sort of thing. You know, what is going on here? Oh, I'm very tempted to pull in and get a Gatorade, but we won't do it. Especially since we're moving now. I love messing with those guys. Not messing with them. I'm not like picking on them or anything. I like having fun with them because I feel like it's an important job, but God, could it be boring. And when I was getting my bike serviced last week and I was up there was road work literally like at the front doorstep of the dealership. And I was talking to one of those guys there a little bit. I like to think they enjoy it, you know, they get a kick out of it too. We can all get kicks, our pumped up kicks, you know. I don't know if I've ever been down that road. I should go down that road one of these days. Gotta get off these main roads. You guys are probably being like, he's always riding the same roads. Wave to that guy. Don't know if he's ever gonna wave back. Maybe he'll recognize me. Oh man, the light at the end of the tunnel is visible. Look at this guy just blowing his leaves into my nostrils. Actually smelled kind of good, to be honest. Leaves, you know. Goodness gracious me, Dios mío. Another opportunity to grab a Gatorade missed, squandered. I guess I'll have to settle for a seltzer for the remainder of my evening. like this strip right here. This wall of trees. You know, it's dope. Need a little more on this side, but over here, I dig it. I think my car has got a flat tire, which is pretty annoying because I want to sell it. I gotta travel to the city for work next week, 2 weeks, something like that. And I don't want to sell my car and then like a day or two later or a week later take my fiance's car and leave her stranded for, I don't know if it's a day trip or I need to go down there for a couple days yet. Still TBD. But you know, I appreciate you guys. If this ever sees the light of day on the YouTubes, on the red and white YouTube worlds, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I really want 100 subscribers because then I can change my damn YouTube URL, because apparently that's a thing. I'm like clicking on it, nothing's happening. I know I just put my left turn signal on, but we're gonna go right here. Got about 10 minutes. Yeah, I want to change my YouTube URL. And I'm clicking on the link, clicking on the thing that looks like you can edit it, and nothing's happening. I'm like, did my computer break? Like, what is going on? Is there something wrong with my clicky click? And so I did a quick little Google search, and they won't tell you this, but they won't tell you this on YouTube. But if you Google it, they say you need to have 100 subscribers to change your YouTube channel. So please subscribe. I didn't want to be that guy that's always asking for subscribers, but oh my god, look at these dogs on either side. Anyway, I think this seems like a phenomenal time to call it, guys. Cheers for tuning in. Please keep coming back. I'm gonna keep pumping these things out. I got 5 vlogs in my first week on YouTube ever, and I love it. I'm enjoying it. I'm loving the process. I'm loving the inspiration, the creativity. I'm thinking well, it's going to be tough too when we're getting into the season where I can't really be going out and riding daily or every other day. But I think it would be very cool to have like 3 uploads a week. I think I could do that very easily. I just I hope I can make it through the off season. You know what I mean? 5 in a week ain't bad either. I'd upload every day if I could. Doesn't take too long for me to scram these together. Alright, that's enough of an outro. Fuck. Bye. See you later. Take care now. Auf Wiedersehen.